Hello, welcome to the Python training video series. Today we are studying about variable and data type topics. First, we need to understand what is a variable. Variable is a named memory location used for storing the values. Data type indicates type of value to be stored in the variable. When it comes to Python, in Python, variable declaration is not mandatory in Python. We are directly using the variable without its declaration. Data types supported by Python are int, float, string, and bool. Sample values already given. Any whole number without a decimal is int. With the decimal point, type is float. String values are stored either in a single quote or in the double quote. Boolean value, we have true or false values are there. Let us go to the example. So if you see the example for variable and data type, we have declared three variables. EMP number of int value has been assigned. EMP name, text value is assigned. Salary, float value is assigned. Then after declaring the variable, storing the value in the variable, so we are printing the value stored in the variable. So suppose if I execute this program, so we can see the values stored in the variable will be printed. Thank you.